Echo Park makes wonderful scrapbooking and card making kits. Their papers come in a 12 by 12 kit. They are double-sided papers. They are very nice weight. And then it comes with this large sticker sheet that has borders and different icons on it. This one is called Back to School. Actually, it's called Off to School. And this is great for elementary school kids up to high school age kids. And there are also some cutout sheets, but let's go look through all these papers. Crayons, there are stars, which would be great for school sports. Here's one of the cutout sheets of the places you'll go. Take a look, it's in a book. Student of the month. This one has alphabet letters on it. There's a plaid. Here is one that looks like school paper, like from a theme notebook. There's the alphabet, apples, but you can see that all of the colors coordinate. So no matter what you do, no matter what you make, everything is going to match. Here's another sheet of cutouts. You can cut out just one, or you can cut them all apart. You can use the back on some projects, the fronts on other projects, but these are wonderful, wonderful papers. Here's one that has yellow dots and school buses on the other side, orange stars, more cutout sheets. You are the best teacher ever. Ones that are like this would be great for making cards, note cards. This looks like the front of a composition notebook. There are owls. I love the owls. Here is a green grid. And then we have some different things. You could cut these out if you wanted to, or you could leave them all together and use them on pages. There's another grid, a multicolor grid, another sheet of cutouts. And here's a red stripe. Oh, whoops, I stuck to it. Oh, and then there is a sheet of icons. That's really cool. There's like an old time school, crayons, glue, rainbows, backpacks, globes, all kinds of great shapes. But this is a wonderful kit for card making and scrapbooking.